Hi guys, this is Heap from AFen Vending Machine. Now we are in the foaming workshop. What is the foaming workshop used for? Vending machines are divided into 3 types: normal temperature, refrigeration, and heating. So how to maintain the temperature of the vending machine when it is running? This is a step that our vending machine needs to perform in the foaming workshop. Here the high pressure, integrated ultra-microcellular foaming technology. A sealing and thermal insulation layer is added to the vending machine. Also waterproof and moisture-proof. In this way, we can ensure that our vending machine can maintain a good temperature for a long time, whether it is cooling or heating, reducing energy consumption and saving electricity. Follow and like us. Next time I will take you to the final production link. Okay, bye!